A simple and fast review of the Eallco men's cushioned athletic ankle socks. It's a 10-pack. Just going to show you kind of what they look like up close. Decent pull on the sides here, and then in the middle as well. So as you can see, there's the gray by the toes and by the heel. These are, I think, size 10 to 13 maybe. I'm not sure off the top of my head. Decent quality. I'm going to show you what they look like on and where they fit on my ankle. I am a size 10 and a half, 11. So that'll be kind of the important things to see kind of how they wear. All right, so as you can see, 10 and a half, 11, my ankle bone is right here. They fit really nice, comfortably. Obviously the bottom just kind of shows you the back of the heel. It doesn't land on the, it's not like it's extra padding or anything like that. It's more a look than anything else. Sorry, I'm trying to do this without actually filming and seeing here. Anyway, it wraps around nice around the middle of the foot. So really good feel. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.